Hi, this is Dr. Amanis, and you are welcome to Boah Forex Academy, located on the Spintex Road, Kakalika Plaza, Ghana. I'm excited to take you on a tour around my office where the magic happens. Let's go! So we're starting at the heart of the Forex Academy. This is the reception area where our investors and students have a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Very serene environment to transact business and learn from us. Now next is our classroom. Let's go. Being the most experienced forex trader in Ghana, this is my classroom where I share the knowledge and experience from beginner to advanced level. Our courses covers everything that will help you to succeed in the forex trading industry. Now let's head to the trading floor. This is Boahfx amazing trading floor where we make money with our investors. Now if you want to make money and trade out with Dr. Money, just come to Boahfx trading floor. Let's make money together. I have a surprise for you, which is the MOP Studios. You will love it. This is the MOP Studios where we bring you all your favorite content. You can also book this studio to shoot your favorite podcast and a show that you want to actually shoot. This studio is also available for bookings for you to shoot your favorite podcast. We have all the cameras available, so just contact us and you can also book this studio.